Breaking news from Tesla Giga Berlin today, friends. Tesla employees in Grünheide at Giga Berlin elect a works council. Tesla's Gigafactory in Brandenburg gets an employee representation. The Works Council election is scheduled to take place at the end of February. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from turknews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla breaking news and give us thumbs up, like this video if you find it helpful, please. So German publication Handelsblatt today is reporting that the preparations for the election of a Works Council at the plant of the US electric car manufacturer Tesla Giga Berlin near Berlin have been completed. The employee representatives are to be elected on February 28. Is this the first union at Giga Berlin? This was announced by the district manager of IG Metall in Berlin-Brandenburg-Saxony, Birgit Dietze, on Thursday in Berlin. IG Metall is the most powerful metal workers union in Germany, which also include automotive workers union. Basically, the establishment of a works council is always a good thing, said Dietze to Handelsblatt. With the works council, the workforce gets a voice and can contribute and assert their interests. Dietze pointed out, however, that the Works Council will probably not represent all facets of the workforce in its initial phase. The trade unionist justified this by saying that the carmaker first filled the management floors and engineering positions. Only gradually are the employees of Giga Berlin recruited for production, who will ultimately represent the majority, said Dietze. The composition of the workforce will therefore change significantly. Tesla employees had already initiated the election of a works council in November at Giga Berlin, although only a fraction of the plant employees were employed at that time. According to union information, between 2,000 and 2,300 people currently work on the site. In the future, around 12,000 employees in Grünheide will build up to 500,000 electric cars per year. The start of Giga Berlin's production has been repeatedly postponed, but is now imminent. The first cars have already rolled off the assembly line in a test run. Elon Musk wants to travel to Berlin in February, says Handelsblatt. The CEO is closely monitoring the construction of the new Giga Berlin factory and has already been there several times, including during the Giga Fest in October. IG Metall, Handelsblatt says, wants to represent as many Tesla employees from Giga Berlin as possible. The union has opened an office near the factory premises, Dietze said. We are demonstrating to our colleagues at Tesla that we are ready to support you, whether it's job interviews, employment contracts, working conditions, or wages. So it is important to IG Metall that the Works Council speaks and acts for all employees, emphasized Dietze. In the coming months of ramping up production at Giga Berlin, a lot will have to be reorganized, explained the trade unionist. In order to be able to have a say in the organization of their working conditions, those who work on the machines in the new halls of Giga Berlin must also have a correspondingly strong representation on the Works Council. This ends the story, friends, from Handelsblatt. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think unions are a good thing for Tesla at Giga Berlin or no? I'm looking forward to hearing your comments. This is Armen Harayan. Welcome to Torque News. Please subscribe to this channel for daily breaking Tesla news, and also give us thumbs up and like this video. I would greatly appreciate, guys, and sharing social media. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. Have a good day, and let's move on to our next Tesla story. I have breaking good news about Tesla Giga Berlin this morning, friends. Brandenburg's government considers water supplies around Tesla to be secure. Water supply is a major issue for Tesla Giga Berlin, but now the Brandenburg government sees the water supply in the region and that of the Giga Berlin factory as secure. Of course, Green League and Nature Conservation Union had sued and don't think it that way. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from turknews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for breaking Tesla Giga Berlin and Gigafactory Austin and general Tesla electric vehicle news, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and give us thumbs up if you find this this report helpful. So Der Tagesspiegel reports that Brandenburg's government considers water supplies around Tesla Giga Berlin to be secure. According to the Brandenburg government, there is no need to worry about sufficient drinking water in the region around the new Tesla factory in Grünheide near Berlin. Here's a quote. The state government does not see the drinking water supply of 170,000 people in the catchment area of the Water Association Starbuck-Ergner and the water supply of Tesla as being at risk, said Environment Minister Axel Vogel from the Greens Party on Wednesday in the state parliament in Potsdam in response to a question. I said catchment area. I myself was not familiar with that word. It's the action of collecting water, especially the collection of rainfall over a natural drainage area. This is called water catchment. Okay, for example, water catchment continues the whole year around, so catching water. Now, this is the good news. The lawsuit brought by the environmental associations, which is the subject of the proceedings, is directed against the increase in the approved water withdrawal quantities in the Eggersdorf waterworks by 1.2 million cubic meters per year, not against the original decision from 1976 for around 2.5 million cubic meters of water in the year. The Green League and the Brandenburg Nature Conservation Union have filed a lawsuit against the State Office for the Environment because of the approval for the higher water withdrawal in the waterworks in 2020. From their point of view, among other things, environmental law checks are missing. The WSC, the Water Association, had warned that the association would lack around 4 million cubic meters of groundwater for abstraction if the approval of Giga Berlin granted for the water intake in Eggersdorf was questioned by the actions of the responsible state authority. This endangers the public drinking water supply for 170,000 people in the association area. The administrative court in Frankfurt Oder negotiated the case verbally on February 11th. Now, the good news is that according to Brandenburg government, there is no need to worry about sufficient drinking water in the region around the new Tesla Giga Berlin factory in Grünheide near Berlin. Well, friends, I'm going to bring you more information about this, especially, I don't know, there is one information that one area, Petershagen-Eggersdorf, advised on stopping construction projects due to lack of water. I may report that report later today. This is Armen Harayan from TurkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle breaking news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Guys, please give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll look forward to reading your comments. What do you think about these developments? When do you think Tesla Giga Berlin will be approved, going through all of these difficulties? Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone, and let's see move on to our next Tesla story. It seems that Tesla Giga Berlin will start deliveries of Model Y in March 2022, and all signs are pointing to that date. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TurkNews.com. If you are here the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell not to miss my next Tesla coverage. Yesterday, I received a little message from a person from Slovenia in Europe who has ordered the Tesla Model Y performance version. He says, I'm from Slovenia, Europe. I have on order Tesla Model Y performance. Today I got a call from Tesla that I will get news on the exact day of arrival next week. If you are interested, I can send you a photo then. Kind regards. And he said that they have guaranteed to me on the phone that it will come from Berlin, because at least in Slovenia they said that they will not ship performance Model Y from Shanghai. They have guaranteed that my car is from Giga Berlin and that in the next week I will get official date for delivery. When I get it on paper, I will send it to you. So I'm going to bring you as soon as I hear some information on paper from this person, from my source in Slovenia. But please also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my next coverage. In the meantime, I see in the media that all signs point to March deliveries from Tesla Giga Berlin. Tesla made several changes to its website in Germany and other European countries last night, and all of them point to Giga Berlin deliveries beginning in March 2022. The most obvious change to the design studio was new range estimates for the long-range LR and performance Model Y. The more important change that could have easily been missed was the performance variant finally showed a specific estimate delivery date March 2022 instead of generic early 2022. Making it more interesting was that only the black or white paint options would give you the new date. Both colors have previously been suggested as one that will start production at Giga Berlin. By the way, my source from Slovenia also said that he had ordered the white color performance Model Y. Now, this change didn't confirm they would be made in Germany instead of being exported from China, but everything else that happened along with it did. The most obvious is the source code of the order page, which has under the comment new performance trim launch in Berlin, and Tesla apparently didn't like this source code being discovered, as it has later been removed. And if it wasn't enough from the source code, comments with Model Y performance cars on order in Europe saw updates to their account, whereas previously the accounts were saying they would be contacted as their delivery date nears. Reservation holders, only with black and white paint, can now finalize their orders up to the point of making their final payment. Given all of the above, it is clear that Tesla now believes they will be able to begin deliveries of Model Y performance SUVs from Giga Berlin in March, or possibly even sooner. Elon Musk is also reportedly heading to Germany this weekend. Apparently he is in Germany, we will know today, the first time he has visited the country since October. Could a big announcement be coming? I think so. So I'm hoping that later today we will have big announcement from Giga Berlin, at least Elon Musk being there and taking care of some business. So if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for the biggest and the latest coming from Giga Berlin, as I'm watching the news from German media, from US media, and on Twitter. And if there is something breaking, I will bring it to you. Now, while Tesla waits for the final approval from German officials, the factory Giga Berlin is still producing Model Y test cars. A drone flyover from January 11 shows the parking lot now has been more than 60 newly built Model Ys, the majority of which are black color, and I see one white color too. So this is very exciting, friends. We may see very big announcement coming Giga Berlin later today. So please subscribe to our channel. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Give us thumbs up and like this video, share in social media, please. I would greatly appreciate it, guys. And let me know your thoughts. Have you heard anything? If you have heard anything, please send me a message. I would be interested. I would report it immediately if it's a breaking news. So have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And let's move on to our next Tesla story.